Welcome back, it's Danish from Step by Step Tutorials. Now the question is, can virtual RAM help systems with low memory? Yes, but there is a hidden truth about virtual RAM that no one tells you. It can damage your SSD. Yes, while enabling virtual RAM can help boost performance for systems with low RAM, it comes at a cost. But don't worry, I will show you how to use it safely. First, let's teach you how to enable virtual RAM. Then in the end I will explain why it might damage your SSD and what you can do to avoid that. So stick around, especially if you want to protect your storage device while improving your system's performance. Now let me show you how you can set up your virtual RAM. Click on search and write about and open this. Now you can see that my installed RAM is 12 GB. Now click on advanced system settings. From this, click on advanced, then settings. On this page, click on advanced and then on virtual memory change. Now uncheck this option, automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. Uncheck. Now we need to click on custom size. Now about initial size and maximum size. Here is the calculation to do that. In initial size you need to write your RAM, then multiply it 1024 and then 1.5. Like I have 12 GB RAM, so 12 multiply by 1024 multiply by 1.5 and here is the value. I will copy this and paste it here. And on maximum size, RAM multiply by 1024 and multiply by 3. So this is my RAM 12 and I will copy this and paste it here, and you can just click on set, OK, OK and OK. After this you need to restart your PC and this process have been done. Let's restart the PC and then let me show you the installed RAM. Computer have been restarted. Now let me show you the RAM. Here you can write about your PC and open this. You need to go to the systems panel and here storage and show more categories and system and reserved. And here you can see my virtual memory is now 18 GB. My installed memory is 12 GB, but my virtual memory have been increased to 18 GB. So that's how you can set your virtual memory. What exactly does RAM do? In simple terms, RAM is like your computer's short-term memory. It stores the data and programs your PC is actively using so it can access them quickly. When you have enough RAM, your PC can multitask efficiently without constantly relying on slower storage. It's a feature that allows your SSD to act as a temporary extension of your RAM. Sounds great, right? But let me clarify. This is not as fast as real RAM. So who benefits from it? If you are on a PC with 4 GB or even 8 GB of RAM and you find your system lagging during tasks like opening multiple tabs or running heavy apps, this can be a lifesaver. Or budget laptops or older PCs that struggle to handle basic multitasking are perfect candidates. But if you already have 16 GB or 32 GB of RAM, this feature won't make a noticeable difference in performance. Now let's talk about risks. SSDs are not made for continuous read and write. So if you continuously use your SSD as virtual RAM, it could wear out its lifespan faster over time. Plus, it doesn't replace real RAM, so don't expect miracles during gaming or rendering videos. If your SSD is already low on space, I would recommend upgrading your RAM instead of relying on this feature. Think of virtual RAM as a temporary solution, not a long-term fix. So is virtual RAM the ultimate solution? Not really. But for those of you struggling with low memory, it can be a game changer. Try it out and let me know if it makes a difference for you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and drop a comment about your experience with virtual RAM. See you in the next video.